Good morning, my dear students. I am Jyotsna ma'am, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Today's thought of the day is do what is right, not what is easy. Means you have to do always the right thing, not the easy thing. Now, children, today I am going to start fourth chapter, Shipwrecked. This is the story about Robinson Crusoe. So, before starting the story, we should know something about Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe was a very brave young man who loved adventure. When he was 19 years old, he left his home and went on to travel in sea. While traveling, there was a great storm and the ship started to sink. And then Robinson managed to reach up the land. तो स्टूडेंट्स इस स्टोरी में हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि जब सी में तूफान आता है तो क्या होता है और रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो कैसे लैंड तक पहुंचता है, मतलब उसको लैंड तक पहुंचने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. फॉर द फ्यू डेज ऑफ देयर जर्नी द वेदर वॉज वार्म and the sea was calm. Calm means shant. The ship moved smoothly on its way and everybody was happy. Then a great storm began. The sea grew rough and angry. The ship was thrown around by the waves. They thought they would drown. उनको क्या लगा कि वो लोग अभी डूब जाएंगे. They could do nothing. Day after day, the storm grew louder. On 12th day, the wind died down. Means तूफान क्या हो गया? शांत हो गया. But by now, the ship and the men needed rest. They changed course. Changed course means उन्होंने अपना रास्ता चेंज कर लिया towards the nearest shore. But just as they thought they would reach land safely, another storm began. तभी वापस से दूसरा storm start हो गया. They did not think they would see land ever again. उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो अब कभी भी safely land पे नहीं जा पाएंगे. But the next morning, they heard a sailor cry out, "Land, land!" He ran out of the cabin to look. At that very moment, the ship hit a great sandbank. It comes to a sudden. It could not move. Giant waves crashed over it. All of them hurried back to the cabin. "What shall we do?" cried one of the men. "We must get to the lifeboat," said another. Together they pushed the boat into the water and jumped inside. They rowed towards the land. They hoped that they would reach the shore alive. अब उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो लोग किनारे तक पहुंच जाएंगे. Suddenly a huge wave hit the boat again. They had no time to speak or think. They were thrown out of the boat into the sea in different directions. The waves carried him a long way and dropped him on some rocks near the shore. He ran towards the land and fell on the grass. He was safe. The water could not reach him here. He rested for a while. Then he sat up and looked around. He could see the ship stuck in the sand at a distance. The waves were dashing over it. He thought of the other men. Could any of them be on the island too? उसने सोचा कि यहाँ पे कोई और भी उसके जितने फ्रेंड्स थे उसमें से कोई होगा आइलैंड पे या नहीं. He started to walk along the shore. He looked for signs of his friends. In one place, he found a hat, a cap, and two shoes that did not match. But he did not see anyone else. It grew dark. He started to worry about being attacked by wild animals. उसको ऐसा लगा कि अभी उस पर कोई वाइल्ड एनिमल भी अटैक कर सकता है. So he found a strong stick to protect himself and climbed onto the tallest tree he could see. Soon he fell into a deep sleep. Then उसके बाद वो क्या हो गया, वो पेड़ पे चढ़ गया and then वो वहाँ पे बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी मच टायर्ड तो वहाँ पे वो सो गया. सो स्टूडेंट्स लाइक दिस रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो हैज़ सेव्ड हिज लाइफ. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आई एम गिविंग यू न्यू वर्ड्स. आवर फर्स्ट न्यू वर्ड इज शिप wrecked. SHIPWRECKED, that is shipwrecked. Number 2, Robinson Crusoe. ROBINSON, Robinson, CRUSOE, Crusoe, Robinson Crusoe. Our third word is voyage. VOYAGE, that is voyage. Number 4 is drown. DROWN, that is drown. Number 5, journey. JOURNEY, that is journey. Number 6, protect. PROTECT, that is protect. Number 7, direction. DIRECTION, that is direction. Number 8, stuck. STUCK, that is stuck. Number 9, attack. ATTACK, that is attack. Number 10, lifeboat. LIFEBOAT, that is lifeboat. Now students, we will start the word meaning. Our first word meaning is a long journey, especially by sea, that is called voyage. Number 2, to die after being underwater for too long, that is drown. Number 3, when a ship changes course, it changes the directions in which it is sailing, that is changed course. Number 4, a sandy area in the middle of a river or sea, that is sand bank. Number 5, a small boat carried by ships used to save people if the ship sinks, that is lifeboat. Now students, your homework is write the new words 3 times and word meaning 1 time in your notebook. Thank you.